Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Chainlink price prediction and Chainlink news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Chainlink in 2022. Founded in 2017, Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts. Through a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink allows blockchains to securely interact with external data feeds, events and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. Sergey Nazarov is a co-founder and CEO at Chainlink Labs. He graduated with a degree in business administration from New York University, with a focus on philosophy and administration. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open-source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors and more. The company focuses on ensuring that decentralized participation is guaranteed for all node operators and users looking to contribute to the network. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive of Chainlink. Now we will tell you news about Chainlink cryptocurrency. Chainlink, measuring the potential of this bullish pattern. Since hitting its January highs, Chainlink bears have made a point to mark lower peaks, while testing its 14-month $11.7 support. The most recent fall marked a falling wedge on Link's 4-hour chart. After forming a morning star bullish candlestick pattern, the chances of a close above its long-term point of control, POC, red, have heightened. In such a case, a recovery towards its trendline resistance, white, dashed, would be probable. At press time, Link was trading at $13.28. The most recent sell-off, from 11 January, led the alt to lose more than 60% of its value, plunging it towards its 13-month low on 24 February. As the $11.7 level support has historically, for over a year, served as a strong buying zone, Link reversed to form an inverse head and shoulder. But this recovery was shunned by its trendline resistance, while Link kept entering a tight phase. Over the last few days, the down channel, white, reversed into a falling wedge, yellow. Furthermore, the alt saw a morning star, bullish, candlestick pattern. From here on, any close above the wedge or the POC would position Link for a test of its trendline resistance. If the buyers can gather enough thrust on high volumes, the chances of a further recovery before a pullback would exist. But if the bears are adamant about protecting this liquidity range, then the alt would continue its tight phase between the wedge before a probable breakout. The RSI and the price action were in harmony for the most part. Thanks to recent bullish pressure, the RSI managed to poke above the midline and affirmed a decreasing selling vigor. Also, the OBV depicted a bullish preference, while observing an ascending triangle breakout. This trajectory could open up the recovery gates towards the upper trendline resistance. To top it up, the DMI lines were on the verge of a bullish crossover, but the ADX flashed a very fragile directional trend. So next news. These are the areas that will present heavy selling pressure for Chainlink. Chainlink bulls were hopeful in early February that $15.3 was defended, and a longer-term rally might have been initiated. However, their hopes were dashed when the $18 resistance zone simply did not budge. The wider market sentiment has also not been particularly bullish. Quite the opposite, it has been fearful on the longer timeframes. Like many other altcoins, Chainlink was on a downtrend as well. At the time of writing, Link was trading just beneath the range lows, blue, at $13.5. In the past, this was an area where investors sold the clothes on their back to go all in on Link. In mid-July, a visit to this area was followed by a strong move back to the range highs. However, since November, the $29 and $18 areas, red box, have served as resistance areas. In the event that demand can drive prices back above the $14 mark, these are the areas that will present heavy selling pressure for the asset. On the other hand, a move below in the coming days would likely flip the $13.5 area into a supply zone. The RSI made a series of higher lows even as Link made lower lows a bullish divergence. This divergence could see the price push back above $13.5. However, the RSI was still beneath the zero line. Momentum was not yet in favor of the bulls. It was a similar tale on the AO. Momentum was bearish, but has been waning slightly in the past month. The OBV has also formed higher lows in the past 9 months, which meant buying volume was present even on longer timeframes. But the OBV has been dropping in the past 2 months, and where the OBV goes next could set the tone for the next few weeks. The CMF was at minus 0.04, in neutral territory, but bordering on showing capital flow out of the market. Well, and your favorite forecast section at the end of the video. Today, as always, we will give a long-term forecast of the Chainlink Link price for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Link price prediction 2022. Link will be considered as the best option, and with a huge community, the Chainlink price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Chainlink rate will be almost $18.92. The maximum bet we can get is $21.46. Chainlink N 2022 average price prediction could be around $19.59. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Chainlink course prediction 2023. Links have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Chainlink, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $32.63. Link is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $28.46, a minimum price of $27.68, and a maximum price of $32.63. Chainlink price prediction 2024. Chainlink's current price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Link could reach $48.18 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $39.78 for 2024, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Chainlink price prediction 2025. It appears that by 2025, Link prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2025, we can expect the average rate to be $55.06. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Chainlink's maximum price could be up to $66.82 in 2025. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Link price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Chainlink price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of Link will rise to around $78.45 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of $92.66 with a minimum price $75.70 level. Link price prediction 2027. Chainlink's value will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. Link is expected to top out at $130.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Chainlink will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of Link will be between $106.79 and $110.72 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Link's maximum price ranges from $106.79 to $130.12 for 2027. Link price prediction 2028. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Chainlink will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2028, Link is expected to peak at $185.